Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can download and install Chrome browser on your Windows 8, 10 or Windows 11 laptop or computer. So every Windows operating system comes with the default browser. It's called Edge browser. You can see the browser here. Just click on this browser to open it. And now here you need to search download Google Chrome and then hit enter. So we need to click this link, Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser. Click on this link and then you will come to this website to download this file. If you want, you can check the description of this video to come to this page directly instead of searching it in Edge browser. So now here we'll click on download Chrome. It was so fast that it is already downloaded. If I click on this arrow here, downloads, you will see the Chrome setup.exe file is downloaded. Or what you can do, you can open the file explorer, click on this icon and now go to downloads. Then you see this Chrome setup.exe file. So double click on this file and now you will see the setup will start. So now it is installing the Chrome browser. You can see the Chrome browser is installed successfully. You can see the browser icon here. If you want, you can right click on this browser icon and then click on pin to taskbar. So even if you close the Chrome browser, you will always have this icon here. And there is one more shortcut icon created on your desktop. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video with somebody. And if you want to know how to block the annoying ads on internet when you browse a website or a video platform like YouTube, check out this video on screen.